from a B&P Studios brings a B&P film by B&P Epic Fails.
Stands for Blaine and Phil.
Ready, set, go.
Ah!
Now, fire.
Ah! Now they're at one.
Now,
Ah!
go.
Ah!
Go.
Ah!
Go. Now.
Ah!
And that is the winner. Now we twirl because this is the end of a video, and we decided to do this after every video. So, good night and goodbye from B&P.